In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $235,150 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic without any website, without any paid ads, and without any followers. Okay, just using free traffic from YouTube, ranking YouTube videos on search, and putting my affiliate links in my YouTube description, and that's it. I will share with you guys those methods for free, step by step. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, okay, and so much more, okay. And those methods are making me $10,125 per month. This is it's available in my balance, as you can see over here. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a lot of money for those services and you can make so much money. This is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, okay. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business. So just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. You need to choose your country and you need to choose your language, okay. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy, anyone can sign up. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So what you will do next is you need to choose good and profitable services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. So how you can choose good services? So just go to your YouTube homepage, okay. Open your YouTube homepage like this. It's super easy. Go to your YouTube homepage. So first, why I choose to promote my YouTube videos on my affiliate links on YouTube, okay. So did you know that YouTube, let me show you, YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors, okay. 30 billion monthly visitors, that's a big number. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, products on YouTube, scrolling on YouTube, and you can get so much traffic from YouTube. If you are not promoting your affiliate links on YouTube, you are really missing a lot of money, okay. YouTube is the second largest search engine and Google is number one, YouTube is number two. So anyways, just open your YouTube homepage and ask question. Click on the search. You can ask any question. Let's ask, for example, let's say how to run ads for, and as you can see, here you go. People are searching for how to run ads for Shopify store, how to run ads for drop shipping, how to run ads for clothing brand, how to run ads for your Shopify store. Those people who are searching for how to run ads for example, for Shopify, okay, those people have money and they are ready to invest money, okay. Let's take this topic, how to run ads for Shopify. I will go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for Shopify marketing or Shopify ads, okay. Shopify, search for Shopify ads, okay, like this. So just search for Shopify ads, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step, okay. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link, okay. So you will earn commission. So let's see, I will set up Shopify Facebook ads, Instagram, like this one is really looking good. Choose like level 2 seller, like I said, level 1 seller, let's choose, for example, one of those sellers here. Okay, I will create Shopify video ads for dropshipping products. We need a seller who can run ads for Shopify. Okay, for example, like this one, I will set up Shopify Facebook ads campaign. This one looking really good. Okay, so what you will do, let's choose this one. This one is even top rated seller. He has 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link like this. Okay, just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. So what you will do, before we do that, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, click on his picture, and upload this picture to your laptop. Double click, save image. Okay, you will name it add 1. Okay, go to the next page, save image. Okay, click on save image. So we will use those pictures to create a slideshow video that's explaining this service. Okay, that's why I'm saving those pictures to my laptop. Click on save image, and I'm gonna name it this one add 3. Okay, and here you go. Let's see. And after you finish, okay, so after you finish, go back to Google and search for Canva. Okay, like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Canva. Okay, it's super easy. So what you will do, just click on video and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload, click on upload file and upload those pictures. Okay, upload those pictures like this, open. Okay, let me see if I can upload. Those pictures are in JPG. Okay, we cannot upload those pictures. So okay, anyways, so what you will do, that's fine, we will choose another seller. Okay, let's see if we can find a good one here. I will do Shopify dropshipping and marketing manager. If you scroll down, you can find good sellers here, like this one. Okay, as you can see, this one has a video that's really even better. This one is level 2 seller. He has 5-star. I will click on his service. I will choose this one. Okay, scroll down, and what you will do, just click on his video, and you need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, it's super easy.
And I think it's very important to give.
Okay, double click, click on save video. Okay, and save this video to your laptop. So for example, I will name this video ads. After you finish, what you will do, you will go back to Canva. Okay, go to your Canva homepage. If you don't have Canva account, go to Google, search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. It's for free. After you finish, click on video over here. This will be your home page. Click on video and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload file and upload this video. Okay, like this. Click on open. Okay, and your video will be uploaded to Canva. Click on your video your video will be over here. Click on this 3 point, click on set video as background like this, click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. I will use this one. Click on the text style and your text will be over here. I will delete this second one and I will decrease the font size like this. I will put this text here, double click and write this sentence: check link in description. Check link in description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, I'm gonna make this title like this. So for people who are asking, is it fine to copy those videos? Okay, that's fine, because you are helping those people get more sales. Okay, those people will make more money because you are promoting their services, and for you, you will get commission as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do next, click on elements, click over here on ship, click on color and choose black color, put this shape here like this. Okay, and here you go. Let me see.
My name is Marjorie, and I think it's very important to give credit where they are due. I would like to speak about a gig that I selected 2 weeks ago from Adil that was offering 1 hour training session.
That's really good. This is his customer feedback, and that's really good. So for people who are interested to run ads for Shopify, they will watch your video. They will see this, check link in description. You will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Okay, so after you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel. Okay, open your YouTube channel. It's for free. It will take just a few minutes. Okay, and use those keywords. Copy this title: how to run ads for Shopify store. Just copy this keyword like this, exactly like this. Don't change or add anything. Copy this title, put this title for your YouTube video, go to your YouTube description and go back to Fiverr affiliate account, your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Those people has money, they has money and they are ready to invest money to run ads for Shopify. Okay, so they don't know how to do it exactly. That's why they are searching for how to run ads for Shopify store. This seller on Fiverr will help those people to run ads for their Shopify store. This seller has experience, has a lot of reviews. As you can see, 5-star. He is level 2 seller. So that's it. That's how we can start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing. Okay, promoting affiliate links on YouTube. So for people who don't know exactly how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put affiliate link in your YouTube description, don't worry, I will leave a link in my description below showing you guys step by step how we can do it. Okay, I already made a video showing you step by step how we can upload this video to your YouTube channel and how we can add affiliate link in your YouTube description and so much more. Okay, feel free to check this video in my description, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.